First, we're going to take two ends. We're going to line them up like so. I'm just going to maybe go about an inch or an inch and a half back and just tie a simple knot. I'll move that charm out the way. So next we're going to take our plastic ring, and I'm going to place my knot behind the ring like so. And I'm going to open this gap up here. Now I want to take my other end, the two strings on the side, pull it through the ring towards me, and then place it back down through the hole. Then you're just going to pull it really tight. Now next, the rest of the knot, to do the knot for the rest of the ring is super simple. All we're going to do is make this little hump here, right? We're going to make this hump. Gonna do the same motion again where we pull the string towards you. Then we're going to take the end here, right? And drop it down the hump. And next thing again, we're gonna make a hump. And we're gonna drop it down. We're gonna make the hump. Pull the string towards you through the ring, and drop the string down through the hump. And now you're basically going to just repeat that step all the way down till you reach halfway part of the white heart.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup. Are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
so we can't finish this ornament right here. You can just take the 2-string and just tie off a simple knot like that. But we're gonna make a little extra, and I want to add this little charm to it. Points to you if you know where this is from. Oh, also I would like to point out, so the original charm didn't actually have this ring up here. I took it off of a bell that I had laying around the house, so if your charm doesn't have an additional ring, or if the ring on top doesn't face the same way, you know, as you can see here, it doesn't face the same way, I would suggest maybe look for a necklace or a keychain or a pair of earrings that you have laying around the house that, you know, you're not using, and attach it on. Usually they're pretty easy to pry open. There's an end right there. It's hard to see, but right there's a little nut, and usually you can just pry them open fairly easy, slip it on, and call it a day. So I'm going to, with the design facing down, or the part that you want to be the front facing down. Now we're gonna bring string down to here. And either side of this. Okay. Now here's a tricky part. So the black one. And I'll make the loop back here. We're gonna pass that through. Right, I'm gonna make the pink loop back here. We're also gonna pass that through. You know, an extra set of hands would be probably nice around this at this moment. And just pull on the knot one last time.
Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the ghost that's been chosen for this mission.
And then to finish it off, we're just going to take the 2 ends, tie another knot, give it some space, tie a knot up here, and there you have it, this cute little ornament.